Flowering plants reproduce sexually using gametes. The male pollen from another plant lands on the female part of this flower during a process that we call pollination. Because plants produce both male and female gametes, some types of plant can also pollinate themselves. So what happens after pollination? You won't have to describe this process in plants, but you should know that the pollen and egg cells fuse to restore the full number of chromosomes. So the pollen cell grows a tube to the egg cell. Here we have the female egg cells, which are located in the flower head. Here you can see that the male pollen has landed on top of the flower head. When this happens, the pollen grows a tube through the female part of the plant all the way down to an egg cell. This is plant fertilization, and it restores the full number of chromosomes. This cell will then go on to grow into fruit seeds. What happens after fertilization? A fertilized plant produces fruit containing seeds. This is an example of what the fruit may look like. Inside it will be all the seeds ready to grow and produce a new plant.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!